Here comes the sun, noo, noo, noo. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's all right. Do, 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 do. Hey, Boozhoo! Boozhoo, Mino Giga Jeb. Hello and good morning. Welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the live stream. And I've got this thing on uh, mirror image, and it's really bugging me. Is there some way I can change that? I guess not. All right. So we're going live this morning. And I don't know. We don't really have so many viewers that we need to worry about this. Yeah, I know. But we'll see if anybody shows up. You know, sometimes I click onto a live stream just to see. Maybe this will get more subscribers. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nana Boozhoo, and this over here, you can't see her, but this is Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo, sweetie. Boozhoo, Gakina. Hello, everyone. And on Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, we like to teach the Ojibwe language and culture. In fact, normally I would start the show by saying, Boozhoo, bin again. Hello, welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and then we always have like an Ojibwe word of the day. So today, just for the posterity, just for my posterity, today's Ojibwe word of the day can be Anama e Gija good. Anama e Gija good. Prayer day. Today is Sunday. So let's our Ojibwe word be prayer day. So, Anama e Gija good. And then normally we'd have like, you know what? That's the problem with the live stream. You know, if nobody's here, like, what's the point? All right. Thanks. All right. Well, it was a nice try. Nobody's here, so there's no one to talk to. Is there anybody out there? All right. You know what? Let's film an episode, and we'll interview somebody. All right. Well, hey, thanks for not tuning in, and I will see you again. Giga waba min, menoa, hawa.